Some perennials don't just survive, they adapt, endure, and keep growing through extreme heat, freezing winters, and everything in between. Today we're looking at 5 rugged perennials known for their incredible resilience across a wide range of climates. If you want a garden that stays strong no matter what the weather brings, these plants are built for it. First on the list is Coneflower Magnus, a bold perennial known for its wide rosy pink petals and strong upright stems that stand firm even in unpredictable weather. The large daisy-like blooms bring instant color to the garden, while the sturdy foliage forms a reliable clump that never feels fragile. Even as the flowers fade, the seed heads remain decorative, keeping the plant visually strong throughout the season. What allows Magnus to adapt across an incredibly wide range of zones is its deep taproot system and prairie-native genetics. These roots help the plant survive freezing winters by storing energy underground, while also allowing it to tolerate intense summer heat and dry soil. Its thick stems and resilient foliage reduce water loss, which is why it continues performing even when conditions swing from cold climates to hot, drought-prone regions. In the landscape, coneflower works beautifully in the middle or back of sunny borders, where its upright presence anchors softer textures nearby. Pair it with airy plants like Russian sage or structural companions like ornamental grasses to create a border that feels both rugged and refined. Next is Russian sage Denim and Lace, an airy perennial admired for its silvery foliage and clouds of lavender blue flowers that shimmer in the sun. Its relaxed, upright habit adds movement and softness, giving borders a natural prairie-inspired look. Even in harsh conditions, it maintains a light, graceful presence that feels effortless. This plant's extreme adaptability comes from its semi-woody stems, aromatic foliage, and origins in dry, high-sun environments. The silvery leaves reflect sunlight and reduce moisture loss, helping it handle intense heat, while its woody base protects growth during cold winters. Because it evolved in regions with dramatic seasonal shifts, it naturally tolerates both scorching summers and freezing temperatures, making it surprisingly versatile across many climate zones. In the landscape, place Denim and Lace toward the back of borders, where its airy texture can soften bold shapes like echinacea or echinops. It's perfect for creating that resilient, low-maintenance garden style that still feels elegant and layered. Third on the list is globe thistle Veitch's blue, a sculptural perennial known for its perfectly round steel blue flower heads that float above spiny silver foliage. The spherical blooms add a modern architectural feel to the garden, instantly giving borders a stronger, more structured look. Even after flowering, the dried seed heads remain attractive, extending the plant's visual impact. Its ability to survive extreme climates comes from deep roots and tough, spiny foliage that minimizes water loss and resists environmental stress. Native to dry, open landscapes, it's built to endure strong sun, poor soil, and fluctuating temperatures without collapsing. These adaptations allow it to handle cold winters while remaining unfazed by hot, dry summers, making it a surprisingly resilient choice across a broad range of zones. In the landscape, place globe thistle toward the middle or back of a border to contrast with softer plants like coneflower or Russian sage. Its strong shapes add depth and rhythm, helping the garden feel powerful yet beautifully balanced. Next is Blazing Star Cobalt, a vertical perennial known for its dense purple flower spikes that rise like glowing candles above grassy foliage. The upright blooms add rhythm and movement to garden borders, creating strong vertical accents that stand out even in tough growing conditions. Its clean structure gives gardens a bold, energetic feel without looking heavy. What helps Cobalt survive across a wide range of zones is its corm-based root system, which stores energy underground and protects the plant from both freezing winters and dry summer heat. These underground structures allow it to go dormant during extreme cold, while bouncing back quickly once temperatures warm. Because the foliage is narrow and grass-like, it loses less moisture, helping the plant endure drought and fluctuating weather more easily than many broadleaf perennials. In the landscape, Blazing Star works beautifully in the middle or back of sunny borders, where its vertical shape can rise through softer plants like Coneflower or Coreopsis. It adds structure without extra maintenance, making it perfect for rugged, resilient garden designs. Last on the list is feather reed grass Karl Forster, a narrow, upright ornamental grass prized for its strong vertical lines and early forming feathery plumes. Its tidy silhouette brings structure and elegance to borders, standing tall through wind, heat, and seasonal changes. Even as the plumes age, they shift into warm golden tones that extend interest well into fall and winter. This grass thrives across a broad climate range thanks to its cool season growth habit and flexible root system. It begins growing early in cooler temperatures, but continues to perform through summer heat, adapting to changing conditions with ease. The dense clump helps protect the crown during cold winters, while its fine blades reduce water loss, allowing it to handle both freezing climates and dry periods surprisingly well. In the landscape, place Karl Forster toward the back of borders, where its upright form creates a strong architectural backdrop. Paired with airy perennials like Russian sage or bold bloomers like echinacea, it reinforces a garden style that feels structured, resilient, and effortlessly beautiful. Choosing hardy perennials isn't about planting tougher plants. It's about building a garden that works with nature instead of against it. With strong roots, resilient foliage, and natural adaptability, these survivors bring structure and beauty year after year. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which hardy perennial you trust the most in your own garden.